Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This one's super fun and festive for October. We're gonna go over 4 super easy and casual Halloween costumes you can pull together. If you're new here, my name's Beatrice. I do a lot of fashion, beauty, and lifestyle content here on YouTube and on social media, so be sure to check me out in those places. This one's gonna be very informative. I have my laptop here with all my ideas, but these are outfits that I would wear to a friend's Halloween party, or if you're not super all going out crazy for Halloween, but you still want to be festive and in the spirit. These have just enough hint of costume, but not too crazy where you're going to be uncomfortable or something. So be sure to subscribe to my channel. It means the world to me, and give this video a thumbs up, but let's get started. So the first one I found on TikTok, and this one's so cute. You could also turn this one to a couple's costume in a couple different ways, but it's a dirty martini. So picture this. You could have a cute little white baby tee. I have seen one that does have a dirty martini on the front, which would just pull this whole look together. But then you get a green sequin skirt, like olive green, like the olives, and some cute little green heels. You could also, just a touch on the dirty martini vibe, there's tons of options for just dirty martini earrings, and then you could get some green shades. But really, you can just pull this however which way you want, but it's just the fact that you have the sparkle, the sequin skirt, and the dirty martini shirt that really makes this look like a dirty martini. I feel like this one's pretty unique. Not a lot of people are gonna dress up like this, but it's also casual enough that you're not full on scary or you're not half naked out in the world. This is a very cute and classy one, but it's still fun and festive. And if you're going in a couple's costume, your significant other could be a bartender and dress in like the vest and the white button down and the black slacks. Or if you have a girlfriend that you want to go with, you could be a dirty martini and she can be an espresso martini and do basically the same thing but with brown accents. I think that would be so stinking cute. I might actually recommend that to my roommate now because that just sounds so fun, super easy, super casual, and you're gonna have most of the base pieces already in your closet. The next costume idea is a little play on the musical Wicked, since that's now coming out. I'm very excited to watch it. I haven't seen the original, so I need to watch that one first. But you could be the Wicked Witch of the West, or Glinda, the Good Witch. I don't remember. I haven't seen Oz that much, but the Wicked Witch of the West and then Glinda, the Good Witch, from whichever side she's from. So if you do the Wicked Witch of the West, you can get green tights, and you can either do black heels or boots and have a little romper jumpsuit set. And all you really need are to get some green sheer gloves, get the green tights, a little witch hat, and you're good to go. It's gonna be obvious who you are. Then if you go with a girlfriend, all she has to do is dress in pink. And basically she's a princess, like a fairy, a duo partner, or you could just be Glinda. And I feel like the touches of green are just easy enough without being too over the top. Not too literal, but you can still make this a very fashionable type of look, especially if you wear the heels. If you wanna be more casual, just do shorts, or the jumpsuit, the romper with the tights, the gloves, and then sneakers or black boots, like flat boots. But honestly, I haven't seen too many people do this one, but it's also such a fantastic idea, and you can mix around which way you want to take this to. Another one that's really fun that you can just do by yourself, or you could do in like a couple or a friend type of vibe, is Lightning McQueen. I think this is so fun and kind of cheeky, but basically you just need like a red t-shirt. You could do a crop top, and they have these hats with the Lightning McQueen eyes. So you have the red hat, you have the red shirt. I would do leather pants to give it that race car vibe, and then you just wear sneakers. I've also seen these red lightning earrings that you could do, but you honestly don't even need those. All you really need is the hat, and then if you have the red crop top and leather pants, then you already have the outfit. You could also do this with a friend or with a partner if one of you wants to be Lightning McQueen and the other one wants to be Sally. You do the exact same thing, just with the blue hat with her eyes, blue crop top or shirt, and then the leather pants. I think this would be so much fun and so cute, and you're gonna be comfortable the entire day, the entire night, wherever you're going. You could even do this for like a work type of setting if you're allowed to wear hats. You have the hat, blue shirt, black pants, sneakers, and you're good. Or red pants, or red shirt and sneakers. You know what I'm trying to say. This one's so fun and so easy, and it literally gets the point across of your costume. That one's a good one. And then the last one, I don't know how many of you will actually know this one. Hopefully so, but this one just reminds me of my childhood and just hanging out with my sister. We did a lot of educational home video types of things when we were growing up. And one of the storybooks that we read and watched, because they turned it into a video, VHS, was Rainbow Fish. If you know, please leave a comment. Leave some rainbow hearts or something in the comments, because Rainbow Fish is such a fond memory, a good story. I don't remember the whole thing, but I'm pretty sure he started sharing his rainbow scales and then he didn't have any left for himself, which now that I'm thinking about it is kind of sad, because you should definitely keep your rainbow scales and not give them all away. But anyways, for the costume, you just have to get, which I'm sure Amazon or tons of places have, rainbow sequin tops and skirts or rainbow sequin dress. And those are your scales and your rainbow fish. And then you can add the other accessories, or if you're really good with makeup, you could do a nice rainbow blush or something and lashes. And this one is just so cute. You can definitely up the accessories with gold seashells, or you get a sequin bag. Honestly, there's so many different ways you can take it, but all you really need are rainbow sequins and then your rainbow fish. And that's just another fun one that's not super literal. I'm actually in a costume, but you could definitely wear this out and about with your friends or to a casual Halloween party. So those are my 4 super fun and casual Halloween costumes. I definitely think I'm gonna do some of these this year. Talking about them now is just making me really excited to hang out with my friends and do something just fun and festive with them, and just really get some cute pictures and some costumes that you can really make yourself. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe, leave a comment below, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.